Hi, today I'm going to be making my signature boiled red plum recipe. It's tart, sweet and spicy and made with fresh ingredients, and it's perfect to snack on anytime. Okay, I'm just going to show you what I use. I use white sugar, couple of cloves of garlic, 1 to 2 cinnamon sticks, a couple of cloves, I use about 5 here, red food coloring in the powdered form, hot pepper, this is scotch bonnet, it's optional, and a couple of leaves of chadon beni or culantro or bhandhania, and some salt. The only things that really need prepping are your garlic and your chadon beni leaves. With the garlic, I just remove the skins and I leave whole, because what we want to do is to grate our garlic very, very fine. That's my garlic, and now I'm going to finely chop my chadon beni leaves, which has already been washed. So here I have a bowl full of green plum. We want the full green ones for this recipe, so not half ripe or ripe. The first thing we're going to do is wash it out. So we're going to wash out all our plums, and we're going to take out any stems that may be there. I've taken out most of them, so just double check. See, like this one. Okay, so next we're going to be cutting the plum. I like to cut it and slit it, about 3 floor slits, just so that all the flavors will infuse in it. So I'm going to show you how I cut it. Okay, so I go in, push out. Go in, push out. And you can do the same thing if you're making plum chow. So 1, 2, or 3 is good. You can also cut off the stem area if you like, but I don't do it because I think it's a waste of plum. So I'm just gonna go and do all, and we'll be right back.
First, we're gonna add all the plum. Next, cover it with water. And now we're gonna add all the other ingredients. This is the chadon beni, scorpion pepper, well, hot pepper, 1 cinnamon stick, 5 cloves, and the grated garlic. ¼ teaspoon of red food coloring. And lastly, we're going to add some sugar.
So using a pot spoon, add according to your taste. This is 1, 2. You can always add more and taste as you go along. So I'm adding about 3 level pot spoons. I forgot to mention to add salt to taste. You could start with about half of a teaspoon. Once it comes to a boil, lower the heat to low, anywhere between low to medium heat, and let this cook. So we're going to cook it until you see the nice red color appear. The plum should get a little softer, and infuse it all that flavor. And you can taste as you go along to see at what point you want to take it out. So we're going to leave this to cook, and I'm going to come back at the end to show you what my red plum looks like. This is after 5 minutes. So it's been boiling for 30 minutes, 30. I just added another spoonful of sugar. So 1 more of this, so that brought it up to 4 pot spoons of sugar. And I'm just going to add a pinch of salt. I'm just going to cover it and let that cook for the next 15 minutes. So cooking time would be about 45 minutes. Alright guys, so this is the red plum after about 1 hour cooking on medium heat. As you can see, this the liquid has boiled down. It's of a syrupy nature. I did not add any more water than that which I put at the beginning. If you would like it softer than this, you can go ahead and boil it for another probably 15 minutes. But obviously you may need to add more water at this point. So this is my version of my red plum that I have been making since I was about 10 years old. So I hope you guys get to try. Let me know down below what you guys think of this recipe, what you do differently, or if you make it the same. And yeah, so hope to see you guys in the next one. I also have a red mango video as well as a brown plum recipe. You can also check out my preserved and candied sorrel recipe as well as how to pickle grapes. So I'll be posting some more preserves because preserves is my thing. So check it out. Okay guys, so until next time, see you, bye.
Wow, it's good.
Does it need more sugar?
It's sweet, it's sour, it's nice.